Hey guys, it's GigaWiz here from NiCoding with the second tutorial on how to use the new NiCoding licensing system. In this tutorial we'll be covering how to check and compare the hardware IDs either at boot or on a button click using NLS. I've already created a button, but I have not added any code to it, save for the button 2 click and form 1 load pieces. Since our last tutorial, I did come over here to the properties and add a setting called key as a string and user editable. And then I made it so that when you click the validate button, it saves that key as a setting. So when you boot, it remembers the key for the use in the next section, which is check hardware IDs at boot. So we're going to go NLS dot check equals compare. Oops, let's try that again. NLS check compare equals new NLS dot check. We're gonna go compare. Let's try it again. String compare HW equals new. Wait, not new. Sorry. Equals compare dot check hardware IDs at boot, and there are two things we're going to pass. You can either use the message boxes that are included in NLS by typing true, which is what we're going to do here, or you can type false and use your own. And the key is what we're going to use. We're going to say, come back up here, we're going to go NLS, NLS example dot properties dot settings dot default dot key, and I should have set that to string key equals. Now we're going to set this to key, and there we go. So now we're going to save it and start debugging it. And I have the key in my clipboard, and if I click this check hardware IDs button, it's going to tell me if the hardware IDs are the same or different. And it's telling me they're different because I think, I had tried to make this video before and something screwed up that I had to fix, and I never changed the hardware ID back. So this should be the proper hardware ID. If I click check hardware IDs, it should come out properly this time. Yeah, see hardware IDs match. Well, now I don't have to go through it twice. What the hell is it? There it is. Alright. I'm going to come back here into the NLS example that I have open. We're going to form 1 load. This is if you want to check the hardware IDs at boot. We're going to go string key equals NLS example dot properties dot settings dot default dot key. NLS dot check compare equals compare boot equals new NLS dot check string compare equals compare boot dot check hardware IDs at boot, and this time we're going to type false because we want to use our own messages, and the key is going to be the key we just described in the string. So I'm going to go if compare is equal to mismatch, then that's right. If compare is equal to mismatch, then message box dot show error, your hardware ID does not match the one on file. And we're going to close that, and we're going to go environment dot exit, and I'm going to make it exit immediately. Now we're going to save it, debug it, build it. Now when you click the debug button, it should automatically check the key that we stored in the settings, and there you go. Now to show you it works, to check it at boot, we're going to add an extra character here to the hardware ID and click go. Go back over to our window, and when I start debugging, it should pop up with a message box. Error, your hardware ID does not match the one on file. Now if I click OK, it's going to immediately stop it from debugging, and there you go. That is how to use the hardware ID checking at boot time with NiCoding licensing system. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Remember to visit us at NiCoding.com, follow us on our Facebook page, or subscribe to us on YouTube, and I'll see you guys around for the next tutorial.